Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Jeep Grand Cherokee door handle. First, let's prepare. You will need a trim removal tool, a small flat blade screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and 10mm or 7mm sockets. Always use gloves and safety glasses. Before starting, protect your vehicle's paint and interior trim with painter's tape. Working in a well-lit area will help you clearly see all the fasteners and clips, making the process much smoother. Next, we'll remove the interior door panel. Use your trim removal tool to carefully pry off any trim pieces around the door handle and window switch. Look for and remove all securing screws. These are often 10mm or 7mm bolts. Once the screws are out, gently pull the door panel away from the door, starting from the bottom, to release the plastic clips. Finally, disconnect any electrical connectors and the door cables before setting the panel aside. Now that the door panel is off, you can access the interior of the door shell. Depending on your model, you might need to carefully peel back a vapor barrier to gain better access to the handle's mounting points. Look inside the door for the bolts or screws that secure the exterior door handle. These are typically 10mm bolts or Torx head screws. Take your time to identify all attachment points before proceeding to the next step. To complete the removal, loosen and remove the identified mounting bolts or Torx screws. Once these fasteners are out, carefully detach any remaining rods or electrical connectors that are still attached to the handle assembly. With everything disconnected, you can now gently slide the exterior door handle out from its housing on the door. To install a new handle, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all connections are secure and clips are properly seated.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.